Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to completely customize your notifications for Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And now after opening the application, you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that icon and select your profile from this section. Now, after selecting your profile, you'll just simply have to go into this notification section. Now, after coming into this section, you can easily customize all of your notifications in here. Now, you can choose to enable or disable between site messages, emails, push notification and price alert. You can choose to enable or disable any of these options, and you can also enable the notification and reminder, telegram push, notification sound and do not disturb. You can use a lot of other options, but major options are these which you can enable and disable, and you can fully customize your notifications for Bitget application in this section. I hope you understand everything in this video. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.